Alright, let's see how our little experiment went. Well, they look pretty good, but the question is, are they done? I'm so lucky to have this little spatula right here. Okay. Or should I say this big spatula? Alright, I'm going to take a toothpick, see if it's done. What do you guys think? I do apologize for the dishwasher. I know it's really noisy in here. Okay. I can tell that's done. Alright. How about the top one? I know these are different color toothpicks, but some is better than nothing. That's done too. Let me put it over here where it's going to cool. I usually put them on the stove. Alright, turn this off. It smells really good in here. Alright guys, this is it. Yep, two cake pans of red velvet cake that's going to become a 2-layer cake when it's cooled down. Alright, that was a success experiment, and thank you for experiencing with this with me, you guys, and I'm really glad you guys were a part of it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video, and if you like these 2-part videos, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Oh, before I go, I forgot to mention in part 1, I also sprayed the pans before I put the batter in. Okay, don't forget to grease the pans before you put the cake batter. Okay, all right, guys. Bye. I just wanted to let you guys know.